Hi there everyone and welcome. In this project video, we are going to create a fictional website web hosting company pricing tab section just like this one. As you can see here we have the pricing tab section for this web hosting website right here. You see it has a beautiful transition and a beautiful call to action button right here. When I hover over the mouse, it translated its skills to some point. So now, you see, it's pretty nice. So now in this video, you are going to learn about how to align an items using CSS Flexbox. You are going to learn about transition. You are going to learn about how to align an item in absolute position and in relative position. And also, you are going to learn about how to add different fonts that enables you to design your website. And also, you are going to learn about how to get and how to add icons that enables you to design a beautiful website just like this one. You are going to learn about CSS transition, CSS animation, and many more. So, if this sound is interesting, first make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell icon to be notified while I come out a daily training video just like this one. With that being said, now let's jump right into it. To create this website, open this project folder right here inside my code editor. In this case, I'm going to use VS Code. So now here we have the project folder. Inside this project folder, we are going to create index.html document right here. And again, over here, we are going to create a CSS folder right here. Inside this CSS folder, we are going to create style.css document right here. So here we have, as you can see here is the boilerplate for HTML document right here, the basic boilerplate. So now what we are going to do is we are going to link style.css with an HTML document using a link tag right here. Here we have. Let me give fictional website web hosting company. After that, now head over on Google search bar and find cdnjs.com. Alright, here we have the website, which is simple, fast, reliable content delivery at first. It is a free open source CDN service, 12.5 all of websites serving over 200 billion requests each month. So now what we're going to do is over this search bar, find fontawesome.com, fontawesome, and copy this link right here and then paste right here. Now remove this, it's not necessary, right? Oh yeah, this is. Here we have just added this color variable right here, and we have right here we have different colors that we are going to use to design this website. So now here we have HTML and body element selector, font size, 60 pixel, text rendering, optimized legibility, and then here we have universal selector, margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box, text decoration none, outline none, and border none. After that, we are going to find the font that we interested in. So to do this, head over on Google search bar, fonts, google.com, and find any font that you interested in. In this case, I am interested in to use Dosis right here. So Dosis, and then yeah, it's enough. So over here we have the import checkbox right here. So then, as you can see here, copy this code snippet right here. Here is it. So copy this code snippet. After that, come over here inside style.css, above right here, and paste right here. Here we have the Google font with our document right here. So now over here again, we have this font family, doses and sans serif. So copy this and come over here for the HTML and body selector and then paste right here. Oh yeah, now open this project with live server. So now, in order to check whether it is working or not, let me create an H1 element right here. Let me write some dummy text right here. So when I save, here we have, yeah, it is working. That's it. Now we are going to create this website right here. So here we have the header. So remove this. It is not necessary, right? So now first we are going to create a section element having class name package section. Let me say you can assign any name as you interested in. So now inside this package class name, let me say row. Inside this div element having class name row, we are going to create an h1 element having class name package heading. So here we are going to create this right here. So copy this text right here and then paste right here. Yeah. After that, we are going to create a paragraph having a class name, let me say package about underscore section. After that, copy this text right here and paste right here. Yeah, that's it. When I save, here we have. Alright, now let me style this first using this section element. So using this section element, let me add some property value pair. So the first property is padding 2% from top and bottom and 5% from left and right. After that, here we have. Now, using this class selector right here row, first we are going to add a background color right here. We have var, we have a color. We are going to use this SCG color right here. Yeah, that's it. It's very nice. So when I save and refresh right here, here we have. So now let me add one essential property over here. So over here, what we are going to do is we are going to add, using this class selector package section, we are going to add my head 100 viewport head. So when I save the web page, here we have, right? Yeah, that's it. Now let me style this h1 element right here using this class selector right here. First we are going to use this row right here and then text align center. We are going to align the text at the center of the web page, right? Yeah, that's it. Here we have, right? Let me shrink this code editor and then let me style this h1 element using this class selector package heading and font size, let me say 2.5 rem, which is 2.5 times the global font size 60 pixel, which we have just set inside the HTML and the body element selector. Then margin 20 pixel and auto text transform capitalize. So when I save it, Here is it, right? Yeah, that's pretty nice. After that, now let me style this paragraph. So to style this paragraph, we use this class selector right here. So for the paragraph, font size 1 point to rem, which is 1 point times global font size 60 pixel and font style italic. And font weight 500. When I save it, here we have, right? That's it. Now add padding bottom 10 pixel. Yeah, this is. So now we are going to create this pricing tab section right here, having a beautiful hover over effect. So to create this pricing tab section, over here we are going to create a div element, have a class name, let me say web package. Inside this div element we are going to nest three different packages, right? So the first package is starter package, and copy this, paste right here. So this place is for recommended package. This place is again for enterprise package. Yeah, that's it. Now we are going to create a div element. Come over here, we are going to create a div element, have a class name for starter package. Let me say package container. So we are going to use this div element, having a class name right here 3 times. So inside this package container we have this section, the first section, the first div element right here, the second div element right here, which is an order list, and the call to action button or add to cart button. So we are going to create the first div element right here. So we are going to create this section right here, which is a pricing tab section. So to create this, we have package type. So we have package type right here, and we have package price. Next to that we have package price. Next to that we have a paragraph right here. Let's say package description. Yeah, again outside of this, here is the first div element. So it contains package type, package price, and package description. Outside of this, we are going to create another div element having class name, let me say package features. So it is this an order list right here. We are going to nest an order list inside this div element right here. So an order list. Then inside this an order list, we are going to create a list of elements right here. So now let me pause the video and head over on Google search bar to find this check mark right here. Head over on Google search bar and find Font Awesome right here. Here we have the official website for this Font Awesome right here. This is an internet toolkit library. So when I click it, here we have the official website. So now come over here and find any icons that you interested in, right? So now I'm just interested to use this check mark right here. So when I click it, here we have the code snippet. So copy this code snippet and then paste right here. So copy this as many times as you interested in. Alright, here we have the second container right here, and now we are going to create another div element, which is the last div element that enables to nest a call to action button. So we have an anchor element right here. Here we have the first div element. Here we have the second div element, and here we have the third div element. So now over here, I'm not going to waste your time. I am going to add it offline, right? Here we have. So here we have package type, starter package, we have package price right here, we have package description, and we have different unordered list. We are going to list of items right here. So when I save and refresh, here we have the web page, right? So now here we have the starter package. So now everything is similar. Over here, copy this everything and paste right here. Again, for the enterprise package, paste right here. So everything is similar except the text and the price. So when I save and refresh, here we have. So now again, I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to add each and everything offline since everything is similar. Oh yeah, here we have. Here is it. For recommended package, I remove it. It's not for the time being, it's not necessary. And here we have basic package. Here we have package price. Here we have call to action button. We have BTN Ghost and BTN Full for this call to action button. And here we have for enterprise package. And now, as you can see here, when I save and refresh the web page, here we have starter package, basic package, and enterprise package. This is the HTML part. Now what we are going to do is we are going to style this package right here. So to do this, first we are going to use this class selector, which is nested, which is all these elements are nested inside this div element having a class name web package. For this, display, flex, align items, center, justify content, space between, and gap 2.5 frame. After that, when I save and refresh the web page, here is it, right? So that's very nice. After that, we are going to use this class selector package container. As you can see here, we have 3 div elements having the same class name package container. So using this class name, we are going to add some property value pair, box shadow 0, 0, 1 rim, and 0 having color. Let me use this color right here. It's better to use this gray color. Yeah, that's it. So here we have, as you can see here we have a container having a nice box shadow, right? And border radius for this container 20 pixel, and width we are going to set it 9%. Here we have, you see. And background, let me change the background color for this box. We are going to use this beige color. So here we have a white color right here. Yeah, this is. So let me style the first. Here we have the element right here. So now using this class selector package container, and then we are going to use a pseudo class selector and child. We are going to style the second div element in different way. So for the second div element, which is the nth child, which is the pseudo class selector, and we are going to put 2, which means the second div element which is found inside the package container. So we have different background color. We have just added different background color for this second container. You see? Now let me add a hover over effect using this pseudo class selector hover. Box shadow 3 pixel, 3 pixel, 40 pixel, and then again var for the shadow we use this primary, and then cursor pointer, and then we are going to add transform scale 1.02. After that, when I save and refresh, here we have. So now over here we are going to add a background color right here. So background it's better to use this theme secondary. Yeah, you heard right. So now we are going to add a smooth transition. So to do this, come over here and add transition 0.5 second is. Let me say is out. Here we have, right? Yeah, it has a nice transition. So now let me style this package type using this class selector package type. So here we have package type, font size 150%, which is 1.5 times the global font size, and text align center margin 20 pixel and 5 pixel. So when I save and refresh, here we have, right? After that, now let me style this package price using these class selectors right here. So now let me add some property value pair for this package price. Font size again, let me say 2 rem, 3 rem, and color dark red. Text align again center, font weight. Here we have, when I save and refresh the web page, here is it, right? Here we have a nice pricing section. So now what we are going to do is we are going to style this year in different way. So to do this, we have this year is nested inside this span element right here. So now using this class selector and element selector span, font size for this 40 rem. When I save, here we have. You see, it is pretty nice. After that, now let me style this paragraph using this class selector package description. So text align justify line height, let me say 1.2 rem, and font weight is not necessary since it is normal, it's the default value, right? So it's better to remove it. Let me increase the line height. When I save and refresh, here we have, right? Yeah, that's good. For the time being, it is enough. So now let me style this unordered list using this class selector package features. So for this, text align justify and merge left 10 pixel. Yup, that's it. After that, let me style these list items right here using this class selector. Using this class selector to remove this, we are going to remove these bullets right here. So to do this, we are going to use this selector li. So for this list style none. Font weight, remove it. Padding top 10 pixel. Font size 1.2 rem. Font weight bold. So when I save and refresh, here we have the bullet points already gone, right? Since we use list style none. Now let me style this check mark right here So style this, we have a class selector right here, FA check. So for this color, you have the color padding right. Let me increase the padding right into 4 pixels, and font weight, we use font weight bold. After that, when I save and refresh, here we have. Yeah, it's pretty nice. After that, we are going to use, as you can see here, we have a package container right here. Here we have the first package. Here we have inside this package, we have the first div element right here, the second div element, and the third div element. So we are going to add a horizontal line for each of these div elements. So to do this, we use this div border bottom 1 pixel solid having team primary color. So when I save and refresh, here we have the horizontal line having this team primary color. So width for this, let me increase the width to 100%. You see, here we have. As you can see here is the horizontal line below this, the third div element. So it's better to remove it, right? So let me write overflow hidden. Oh, over here it is pretty nice, but it's better to remove this overflow hidden, and let me decrease the width to 90%. It's better, right? After that, when I save and refresh, here we have. Now the major aim is to remove the horizontal line for the last div element right here, which is right here, which is a call to action button. So to do this, we use this selector right here. We have a last child and border none textile line. For this last child textile line, center, you see. So when I refresh, here we have the call to action button is now at the center, place it at the center, right? Now let me style this call to action button. Choose plan button right here. So we have two classes right here. The first class is template btn, template ghost. So using this template btn class selector, let me add some property value here. Display inline block, and color, we use this color right here. Let me use this color, SGPG color for the text color, and we have a background color. We are going to use this main color. Yeah, again for this we have border radius 20 pixel, margin right. For the time being it's not necessary, remove it. Text transform uppercase cursor pointer, right? When I save it, here we have a nice call to action button. Now we are going to style the second, which is btn goes for recommended package in different way, for starter package and for enterprise package in different way. So these two packages have a call to action button having a class name btn ghost. So for this we have color right here, and we use this background color right here, team primary. After that, when I save and refresh, this the first and the last pricing tab section, it's called to action button style in different way. So now let me add a hover effect for the btn full, which is the recommended package. Yeah, you heard. So over here, let me add a smooth transition. 0.5 second is out. here we have. So we have a nice hover effect for the second call to action button right here. So now over here we are going to add a hover effect for the first and the third pricing tab. So to do this we have a begin ghost class selector for starter package and for enterprise package. Oh yeah, that's it. Now we are going to create this recommended. So to do this, here we have, right? So we are going to make just like this one. You see, it is pretty nice. So now let me make it. Let me create it. So it is for recommended package. Over here, come over here for the recommended package and create an H4 element, have a class name, let me say basic package. Recommended. So now over here, using this class selector right here, let me add some property value pair. In this case, you are going to learn about position, how to position an item, right? So package, so basic package, we have package container and basic package right here. So now position absolute, right? So as you can see here, if the position for the child element absolute, the position for the parent element should be relative. Yeah, in this case, the child element is having a div element having an h1 element, an h4 element having a class name basic package, and the parent element is a div element having a class name basic package container. So when I save, here we have. And then transform, translate, rotate. Instead of translate, we are going to use rotate this text by 45 degrees. So here we have. Now top right, top 0, right 0, and then over here background, we use this color right here. We use text color, and color for the text we use SGBG color. It's better to use main color SGBG color, right? So when I save and refresh, here we have, right? Yeah, it seems better. The text rotated by 45 degree. Now the text is rotated by 45 degree. Now over here, let me add transition origin, sorry, transform origin center. Here we have. It rotates at the center of its position. So over here, translate in the x direction by 2.5 rem, and translate over here we are going to add font size 1.2 rem. It's better to say 1.5 rem. So here we have. After that, let me translate it in the y direction. By 1 rem. So here we have. After that, over here, wow, padding, it is not necessary, right? So remove it. text transform, capitalize. Here we have. Then over here we are going to add overflow hidden. Yup, it is pretty nice. Yeah, it is. The basic package section. Let me increase the font size to 1.7 ring